Hey guys, Todd Allums here from Georgia Power Electric Transportation Team. We want to come to you today and just kind of help remind everybody about our builder rebate program, where we'll actually give the builder $100 rebate for each 240 volt outlet that they install in a single family new construction home or townhome. Georgia Power is here to be your energy solutions provider, and we feel it's very important as the amount of electric vehicles are growing throughout the state of Georgia to have our homes PEV ready, so that when a driver, for an EV driver that buys the home, all they have to do is come and plug in their new level 2 outlet right into the 240 volt outlet that the builder installs, and they're ready to go. So please visit georgiapower.com/EV for more information about all of our electric vehicle program offerings.